Question and answer. Assalamualaikum. Video ni adalah untuk menjawab kepada question and answer bagi rakan anda yang bertanya. Terima kasih kepada yang bertanya. So, ini adalah solution rakan anda. Okay. So, kita akan discuss sama-sama ya. Okay. First, soalan ni evaluate cot pi over 4 plus inverse sine 2x over x plus 1. Okay. So, how to evaluate this trigonometric function? Okay, first, we let inverse sine 2x over x, over x plus 1 equals to a. Okay, so yang ini betul lah. Okay, and then dia move inverse sine ke kiri. So, now we have ordinary sine a equals to 2x over x plus 1. So, ini pun betul. And then from sine a equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So, we can draw a right angle triangle. Okay. 2x ni, oleh sebab ini sine, 2x adalah opposite. Ya, opposite kepada angle A. And then x plus 1 adalah hypotenuse. Ya, yang paling panjang ni. Okay. Then we need to find the length of adjacent using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So formula dia yang paling panjang kuasa 2 dan minus yang pendek kuasa 2. Okay. Yang ini square root ni tak cukup panjang. Okay. Kena panjangkan macam ni. Alright. Lepas tu rakan anda ni dia separate ni. Okay. Yang ni tak boleh separate square root ya. Yang ni salah. Okay. But why? Okay, now we look at the simple example. Okay, katakan yang ni, saya ambil simple number. Let's say 3 squared minus 2 squared inside square root. Let's say kita guna cara yang ni, kita separate dia punya square root. So, we get this. Set 3 squared minus set 2 squared. 3 squared equals to 9. So, we have square root of 9 and then minus square root of 4. Square root of 9 equals to 3. And square root of 4 equals to 2. So, 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Right? Right. How about if we solve square root of 3 squared minus 2 squared? Sama je ya. Tapi kita still combine dia punya set. Okay, kita tak separate. So, 3 squared equals to 9 and 2 squared equals to 4. Okay. So, now we have square root of 9 minus 4. And then after we simplify, so we have set 5. Okay. So, ini kalau kita tak separate, dapat set 5. Yang ni kalau kita separate, dapat 1. Okay. So, which one correct? Alright. Let's say we solve this using symbollab.com. Okay. Okay, so this is the syntax when we use symbollab.com. Square root of 3 squared minus 2 squared. After we press enter, this is the output. Okay, the answer equals to set 5. Okay, or in decimal 2.23606 something. Okay, means that yang ini betul. Okay, tapi yang ni salah. Okay, so please be careful. Square root, kalau in between dia minus, okay, tak boleh separate. Right? Got it? Alright, when we can separate? Okay, masa bila kita boleh separate square root? Okay, we look at the simple example. Okay, let's say if we have square root of 3 squared times 2 squared. In between here is multiplication operation. Okay. And then, let's say if we separate, so we get this, square root of 3 squared times square root of 2 squared. Okay, we can simplify set and 2 here and squared here. Or we can solve 3 squared equals to 9, 2 squared equals to 4. So we have square root of 9 times square root of 4. Okay, square root of 9 equals to 3. And square root of 4 equals to 2. In between here is multiplication operation. So after we simplify, so we get 6. Okay? Or, okay, let's say the same example, we still combine the square root. Okay? So kita solve yang dalam, 3 squared equals to 9. In between here is multiplication operation. 2 squared equals to 4. Kita still combine dia punya square root. Okay? Kita tak separate. Okay? And then 9 times 4 equals to 36. Okay, so now we have square root of 36. Okay, and after we simplify, so we get equals to 6. So the answers are equal. So means that both methods are correct. Okay, so maksudnya kalau in between adalah darab dalam square root, kita boleh separate. Okay, ataupun nak combine. Tapi kalau in between adalah minus, kita tak boleh separate. Okay, sebab tadi jawapan bagi lain. Okay, kalau jawapan guna cara separate dengan combine still sama. Okay, maksudnya dua-dua cara betul. Maksudnya boleh separate kalau darab. Okay, kalau tolak atau tambah in between, di luarnya ada square root, tak boleh separate. Alright? Got it? Alright, so macam mana kita nak solve ni? Okay, saya tutup yang salah ni. Okay, so from here, square root of bracket x plus 1 squared minus 2x squared. Okay, we have x squared, kita expand yang ni x squared plus 2x plus 1 and then minus, yang ni jadi 4x squared. Okay, and then we have square root. And then equals to 1 plus 2x, x squared minus 4x squared equals to minus 3x squared. Okay, so ini kita punya solution kepada yang ni tadi. Okay, tak boleh separate kena combine dia punya set. Okay, and then yang ni adalah panjang kepada adjacent ni. So kita letak kat sini. Right? Right, how to expand x plus 1 bracket squared? Okay. Right, look at this. Okay. X plus 1 bracket squared actually equals to x plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay. But some student write like this. X plus 1 squared equals to x squared. Okay. Plus 1 squared. Dia ambil yang depan kuasa 2 and then plus dia ambil yang belakang kuasa 2. But this is wrong. Okay. So even this is wrong, but this is very, very common mistake. So please be careful. Right? The correct method is we can expand one by one or we can use this formula. Okay. Let's say we have a plus b bracket squared. So this is the formula when we expand this. Okay. Ambil depan kuasa 2 tambah kuasa darab depan darab belakang. So we have 2ab and then plus belakang kuasa 2. Okay. So using this formula, so either kita nak expand ni one by one ataupun kita guna formula yang ni. So kita akan dapat x plus 1 bracket squared equals to depan kuasa 2 tambah kuasa darab depan darab belakang. So 2 darab x darab 1. So dapat 2x and then plus 1 squared equals to 1. Right? This is the correct method when we expand x plus 1 bracket squared. Bukan yang ni Yang ni salah. Okay, tapi menakjubkan sebab sangat selalu student buat macam ni. Okay, please be careful. Okay, kena buat macam ni. Alright? So that's why yang ni x plus 1 bracket squared equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, daripada sini. Guna formula yang ni. Okay, ataupun expand one by one. Alright? Got it? So, step 2 kita dapat adjacent macam ni. 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared. And then kat luar ni ada square root. Right? Then, step 3, we need to find the other trigo ratios. So we recall back our right angle triangle with all three sides, opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Okay. Since the question is asking about chord, and chord is related with tangent, so no need to find cos A. Okay. Tapi nak cari pun boleh juga. Okay. In this case, cos A patutnya adjacent over hypotenuse, tapi yang adjacent ni dah salah tadi. Okay. So, yang ni salah lah. Okay. And then tangent A equals to opposite over adjacent, tapi adjacent tadi salah, so ni salah. Okay. So, sepatutnya tangent A equals to opposite kita 2x, adjacent kita set 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared. Okay. And then step 4, we back to the given question. Evaluate chord in bracket pi over 4 plus inverse sine 2x over x plus 1. And then akan anda tulis chord pi over 4 plus a. Yang ini betul sebab from step 1 tadi, a kita equals to inverse sine 2x over x plus 1. Okay. And chord is a reciprocal function for tangent. Okay, so terbalikkan jadi 1 over tangent pi over 4 plus a. Angle mesti sebelah dengan tangent. Okay. Ini pun betul. Okay. And then formula tangent for sum and difference angle. Okay. Dia akan jadi macam ni. Tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. In this case, B kita adalah A kita adalah pi over 4. Okay. Yang ini pun betul. Okay. And then 1 over, so ini betul 1 over. Tapi sebab tadi tangent A tadi salah, so ini salah lah. Okay. Tangent A ni tadi salah kat sini, so ini salah. Okay. Alright, from here we have fraction within fraction. Okay. 1 over this fraction. So, we better put bracket here. Alright. So, means that 1 over this fraction. Okay. Kalau tak buat bracket, takut ada yang fikir satu per yang ini. And then semua ni per yang ni. Maksud dia lain. Alright. So, better put bracket here. Right. And then, A is pi over 4. B is A. So, better we write like this. Tangent pi over 4 plus tangent A over 1 minus tangent pi over 4 tangent A. Alright. And then sampai sini yang ni tadi salah. So, saya tutup yang salah tadi. Okay. And then 1 over this fraction. So, we can write yang bawah ni naik atas. Okay. 1 minus tangent pi over 4 times tangent A over tangent pi over 4 plus tangent A. Alright. So, sekarang tinggal 2 layers saja fraction. Tadi ada 3 layers. Okay. So, jadi macam ni. Kita satu per fraction ni dia jadi macam ni. Okay. Yang bawah ni naik atas. Alright. Alright, from here, 1 over this fraction, okay, after we simplify, we get this, okay. Yang paling bawah ni naik atas. So, jadi macam ni. Okay. How we get this? Okay, we refer from here. Let's say if we have 1 over fraction A over B. After we simplify, we get this, B over A. B yang paling bawah ni naik atas. Okay. How we get this? Alright, from here, 1 per, we can write 1 divided by, per here, we can write divided by fraction A over B. Okay, after that, we can change to multiplication. But at the same time, we need to exchange numerator and denominator. So, we have times B over A. 1 times B over A equals to B over A. Okay, that's why we get this. Okay, so from here, we get this. Alright, got it? tangent pi over 4 using calculator equals to 1. Okay, pi over 4 here means in radian. So you need to set your calculator in mode radian. Or you can use tangent 45 degrees and set your calculator in mode degree. Okay, because pi over 4 radian equals to 45 degrees. Okay, so tangent pi over 4 radian equals to 1. Or tangent 45 degrees equals to 1, right? Then we have this, okay, 1 minus 1 times tangent A equals to tangent A, and then this is 1, and then plus tangent A, right? After that, we replace tangent A equals to 2x over square root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared. Okay, yang ni kita gantikan. Okay, nilai fraction untuk tangent A. Alright. Then, we standardize the denominator here. Okay, so we have surt 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared and then minus 2x. Okay, this fraction come from this fraction. Okay, and then per here, we can write divided by, okay, and then 1 plus 2x over surt 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared, we can write this, okay, after we standardize the denominator, okay, we get this, okay, after that, from division divided by, from fraction divided by fraction, so we can change to multiplication. But we need to exchange numerator and denominator. So we get this. Okay. After that, since this is multiplication operation, and then we have division here, so we can simplify this because we have same term here, right? But we cannot simplify this because in between here is minus and in between here is plus. Okay. So after we simplify this, so the final answer equals to surt 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared minus 2x over surt 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared and then plus 2x. Okay. Square root symbol hanya sampai sini saja. Hanya sampai 3x squared saja. Yang minus 2x and plus 2x ni tak ada simbol square root. Alright, so this is the final answer. Right? Got it? Alright, we recall back. This is the given question. Simplify cot in bracket pi over 4 plus inverse sine 2x over x plus 1. Since the given question in terms of variable x here, so the final answer should be in terms of variable x. Okay, means kita tak akan dapat bentuk nilai lah. Okay, kita akan dapat dalam bentuk variable. Okay, ni dia punya complete solution lah. Okay, seperti yang kita discuss tadi. Alright, got it? Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.